Welcome back to our channel app tutorial everybody, and in today's video it's about the app Snapchat and it's on how you guys can fix too many friends on Snapchat. So Snapchat has a limit on like how many friends you have. If you cross that limit, then Snapchat is gonna say too many friends and it's not gonna allow you to add new friends. Alright, so it's pretty simple to fix this problem, which I'm going to show you guys. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now to fix this problem, first you need to know what the problem is. The problem says too many friends, which means you have too many friends on your Snapchat. So to add new friends, you need to start removing some friends. Alright, now I'm not saying you to remove all your friends. Remove those friends to whom you are not in contact with or to whom you do not talk that much. So let's say how you guys can do that. First step, you can click on your Bitmoji icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is right beside the search icon, and it's gonna bring you over here. Over here, scroll a bit down and you can choose where it says my friends. Click on it and it's gonna show you the list of all the friends you have. Alright, so let's say for an example, I don't talk with this guy called Shinoli. I can hold on his name and this thing will open up. Over here, I can click on the manage friendship option and click on remove friend and click on remove. Once I do that, Shinoli will be removed from my friend list. Now I can add another one more friend to my list. So just like that, remove those friends to whom you do not talk so that you can make space to add some new friends. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix too many friends on Snapchat problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.